Hi, welcome to English with Mr. G. I'm Mr. G, and in today's video, I want to show you how to use someone and anyone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for powerful English video lessons every week. Okay, let's begin. Alright, let's talk about someone. Someone is a pronoun. We use someone to refer to a person without saying much information. It could be a man, it could be a woman, it could be a child, but we only say someone. Something very important is that we use someone in affirmative statements. When we want to refer to a person without saying much information, we use the word someone. Now, on the other hand, the word anyone is used again when we refer to a person without saying much information. But in this case, we use anyone in negative statements and in questions. Let's take a look at this mini conversation. Person A says, "There's someone in the room." And person B says, "Where? I don't see anyone." In the first sentence, we use the word someone because we're talking about a person that is in the room, but we don't have much information, so we use the word someone. On the other hand, the person B says, "Where? I don't see anyone." We use the word anyone because this is a negative statement. Basically, I'm saying that I see no person in the room, but in casual conversational English, we use the word anyone. So the sentence is, "I don't see anyone." Okay, let's take a look at the second mini conversation. In this mini conversation, person A says, "I need someone for this job." And person B says, "There isn't anyone available right now." What do those mean? Well, in the first sentence, we say someone because we are using an affirmative statement. And when I say I need someone, it means that I need a person. Right now, I don't know if I need a woman or maybe a man for this job, but I just need a person. Once again, in conversational English, we use the word someone when we refer to this person from whom we don't have much information. And a person B says, "There isn't anyone available right now." In this sentence, what we try to say is that there is no person right now available to do that job. We don't have anyone in mind, so we say the word anyone in the sentence. Now, let's take a look at the mini conversation number 3. Person A says, "Does anyone know about this situation?" And person B answers, "I don't, but I know someone who does." How interesting. In the first sentence, actually, we can see that there is a question. And because it's a question, I use the word anyone. We use anyone in questions and negative statements. Now, person B in the answer says, "I don't, but I know someone who does." I know someone means that I know that there is a person that maybe knows about this situation. I'm not saying much information. I'm not saying a name or anything else. I'm just saying that there is someone, there is a person that knows about this situation. Okay, so it's very important to keep in mind that someone and anyone are pronouns, and we use someone with affirmative statements and anyone with questions and negative statements. All right then, now we're going to practice in 1 minute. I'm going to show you some sentences over here, and you're going to choose someone or anyone to complete the sentences. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Read the sentence. Take a moment and choose someone or anyone to complete it. Okay, if your answer is anyone, you are absolutely correct. So, the question says, does anyone know who can fix this machine? And yes, we use anyone because it's a question. Alright, let's take a look at the second sentence. Take a moment, read the sentence, and choose someone or anyone. Alright, if your answer is anyone, congratulations, you are absolutely correct. The sentence says, I never wanted anyone to get hurt. In this particular sentence, we use anyone because the word never is a word of negation. It's negative, and that's the reason why we use anyone in the sentence. Okay, very good. Now, let's take a look at the sentence number 3. Take a moment. Choose someone or anyone. Okay, if your answer is someone, you are absolutely correct. So the sentence goes like this. They will need someone to do this job very soon. Yes, we use someone because it's an affirmative statement, right? We're talking about an affirmation, and that's why we use someone. All right, let's take a look at the following sentence. Take a moment and choose someone or anyone to complete it. All right, if your answer is anyone, you are definitely correct. So the question says, can anyone lend me $10? Yes, of course, we use anyone because it's a question, right? And we use anyone in questions and not in affirmative sentence. Okay, let's take a look at the last sentence over here. Take a moment. Choose someone or anyone to complete the sentence. All right, what do you say? If your answer is someone, you are absolutely correct. Congratulations. The sentence goes like this. One day, someone will love you very much. Yes, we use someone because this is an affirmative statement. All right, great practice. I hope that you had many correct answers in this exercise. Okay, now there's something very important I want to tell you about. Okay, and I would like to clarify the difference between anyone and anybody, someone and somebody. Actually, there's no difference, and this is great news. There is no difference. We can use these words interchangeably because in casual conversational English, there is not much big difference. The only little, but very little difference that I can tell you about is that somebody and anybody is more common in spoken English. And someone and anyone, it's more common in written English or formal English. We can say that. Nevertheless, when you communicate with someone in English or when you listen to music or to people talking, you are going to notice that they use the two words, the two forms, without much big difference. So, once again, somebody and someone, they have basically the same meaning. There isn't any much significant difference with those two. And the same goes for anyone and anybody. So you can perfectly say, do you know anyone? Do you know anybody? I need someone, I need somebody. All right? Now, since you are learning English and you're going to listen to a lot of English, you are listening to English possibly right now, notice how native speakers usually use those words, and then you will see that there isn't much of a difference. Okay, I hope this clarification helps you with the use of these words. All right, today's lesson was the use of someone and anyone. Don't forget, we use someone with affirmative statements and we use anyone with negative statements and questions. They are pronouns and they are used to refer to a person without saying much information. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for a new video every week with powerful English lessons. That's all for now. This is English with Mr. G. See you next time. Bye-bye.